Hi, hello, very good morning, everybody. Welcome to Republic Spoken English Academy Kalburgi. Today, I have with me Sneha. She is my student. She has been coming to spoken English class since 20 days. She is actually studying 9th standard at Adarsh Vidyalaya Bhimali. She joined the spoken English course 20 days back because she wanted to improve her English communication skill. Up to fifth, she studied English, which Kannada medium, and after that she joined English medium school. After joining English medium school, she couldn't understand English. Whatever her teacher taught her, she couldn't get her teacher teaching. And that is why she decided to join spoken English course. She went and asked one of her close friends, and her friend recommended our institution, and her friend told her, go to Republic Spoken English class and join that course, and you will improve your English. Your friend told you, right? Okay. So she came here 20 days back. She joined my courses. She only attended 20 days classes. Within 20 days, she got good improvement. And today she is with me. She is going to share her experience. Sneha, can I talk to you, please?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will ask you some questions you need to answer. Okay, today we will have very interesting conversation and we will have some general talk. Okay, no problem. And first of all, I want to tell you, don't worry about mistakes. In English, everyone makes mistakes. It's an international language. It's a global language. It's a world language. We are learning so global language. That's why we make mistakes. We do wrongs. When we think about mistake, we can't improve our English. That's why in class also I told you many times. I told everyone who will attend my classes, never ever think about mistake. Okay, so nobody is perfect in this world. First of all, you need to understand. Okay, you are a learner, you are learning English, you are a beginner. That's why you make mistake. And if you think about mistake, you can't explain, you can't speak, you can't express your ideas. That's why first of all, what you need to do is you need to, okay, avoid thinking, okay, about mistakes. Okay, let's start conversation. Let's get started. Shall we discuss?
Yes, sir.
Okay, first of all, tell me something about yourself. I want to know about you.
I am Sneha. I am for village. I am village girl.
Hmm.
I am studying ninth standard from Adarsh Vidyalaya RMSC Bimbali. My hobbies are playing, dancing, singing.
Okay.
My future plan is I want to become doctor.
Okay, that's nice. Very fantastic. Okay, that's amazing. You told very nicely. And my second question I would like to raise you. You tell me, why did you decide to join spoken English course? So what was the reason? I just want to know. I just want to understand from you. Why have you joined this course? Please explain to me a little bit.
First of all, I am village girl.
Hmm.
I don't know. I didn't know how to speak English, how to write English.
Okay.
I wanted to speak in English. I wanted to understand English.
I wanted to understand English.
English,
Okay.
and then I decided I attended classes.
I decided to attend classes.
I decided to attend spoken English class,
Okay.
and I came to this institution.
I come or I came. Past I came. Past tense. Okay. I came to this institute.
I came to this institute and I took admission,
Okay.
and I attended class.
Okay.
And
No, I just want to understand from you, why have you decided to join this course? What was the reason? Okay. Did you have any communication problem? Did you have any English problem? So what was the reason to join this course? Okay. Please you tell me.
I wanted improving my communication skill.
I wanted to improve my communication skill.
I wanted to improve my communication skill. I wanted to improving our stage courage,
Okay. Okay.
and I wanted to make eye contact,
Yes. Yes.
and I wanted speak in English.
Wow. Okay.
Uh,
So therefore you joined this course. Okay. How did you get to know about our institution? Has anybody told you or how did you get to know about our institution?
Sir, my friend Ishwari told me,
Okay.
Sneha, you go to spoken English class near Khadri Chowk. Because when I went to that institution,
She already came. She already attended. Like
yes,
she told me.
she's told me she's already attended this class.
Okay.
So that's why she's told me.
Okay.
And when I came this institution with my father, and I told us the sir.
I talked to sir.
I talked to sir.
Okay.
And I took admission.
Okay.
And I attended classes. And first class is my
Okay.
in first class I
Attended?
feel
First class I attended, I felt V2 form. Present V1 I feel, past V2 I felt. I felt happy.
I felt happy, and I fear. I have fear.
Okay. I had fear. I have fear present.
I had.
Right now I have fear. Past I had fear. When you are talking about past, you use had. Okay. I had fear. I had hesitation. I had a nervousness. You are talking about past, you need to use had. You are talking about present, you use have. I have fear. I have hesitation. I have nervousness. Okay. So you say I had. I had fear.
In the first class, I had fear, and I have had a hesitation,
Okay.
and
Uh,
I had a
I had nervousness. Therefore,
Therefore, first
I couldn't speak.
I couldn't speak in English.
Okay. So next, I want to know how do you feel after attending 20 days classes? You have just joined the course, you came to class, you attended class, you learned something. So after attending these all sessions, so how do you feel now? Can you please explain?
I feel happy because I improving my communication skill. I speak in English. I
Okay.
I speak in English with sir, and I
Okay.
feel happy.
Okay. Do you practice every day at your house English?
Yes, sir.
So what do you practice? Can you please tell me?
Sir, what sir teach?
What you teach?
sit-
I am in
what-
front of you.
Yes.
What sir teach you, don't tell. I am already
What,
in front
sir?
of you. You can say, sir, what you teach me, whatever instruction you give me, whatever advice you give me, whatever. Okay, just ideas you give me, I will teach. So what you teach me?
Sir,
Whatever.
what you teach me, I practice in my house.
Okay.
What you give me advice. Whatever advice you give me,
Okay.
then that one I practice it.
Okay. So you practice at your house. Do you speak English at your house?
Yes, sir.
Tell me in sentence. I don't
Yes.
want yes or no.
Yes, sir. I speak in English in my house.
With whom do you speak?
Sir, my sisters.
Tell me in sentence.
I
With whom do you speak?
I speak I speak in English with my sisters.
Okay. What do you speak?
Sir,
I speak.
I speak only, sir,
Some basic sentences. Repeat.
some basic sentences, sir.
What? Can you please tell me some basic sentence?
Sister, please give me book. Sister, what are you doing? Sir, sister, how are you?
Okay.
So that's.
So after attending 20 days classes, what changes have you got? Can you please explain?
Sir, I change more than
Okay.
because first of all, when I first of all I studied the only fifth first to fifth only Kannada medium.
Okay.
Then sixth to ninth I sixth take admission in Adarsh Vidyalaya RMSC Bimali.
Okay.
Then teacher is teaching taught only English in English.
Okay.
Then I face many problems.
Okay.
Then I decided to take to admission spoken English class, and I take to admission and I attend classes.
Okay.
Attended a classes. Then I improving and
Okay. Today I will remove your fear. You have a lot of hesitation and fear. Yes, sir. Because of fear, you can't speak English. Okay. First of all, if you want to speak English fluently, what you need to do is you have to remove your fear. In case we have fear, we can't speak, we can't explain, we can't communicate properly. That's why if you want to be a effective communicator, if you want to be a impactful communicator, if you want to be very fluent speaker, what you have to do is first you have to remove your hesitation and fear. Okay, so we can do some practice. Okay, just I will give you practice, you can do it. Okay. Are you ready to do it?
Yes.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone.
Very good afternoon.
Very good afternoon.
Today
Today
I am here
I am here
to present myself.
to present myself.
I am Sneha.
I am Sneha.
I belong to Kalburgi city.
I belong to Kalburgi city.
I am here to learn English
I am here to learn English because
I came to Republic
I came to Republic
with vision, with goal,
with goal,
with aim.
with aim.
That's why
That's why
I want to say something about my goal.
I want to say something about my goal.
The reason behind
The reason behind
joining this institute
joining this institution
because
because
I wanted to improve my English.
I wanted to improve my English.
I wanted to develop my English.
I wanted to develop my English.
I came here.
I came here.
I met sir.
I met sir.
I spoke to him.
I spoke to him.
I
I
attended this session.
attended this institution.
After attending session,
After attending this institution,
after attending session, I changed.
I changed.
I improved.
I improved.
I got lot of improvement.
Lot of people into.
I got lot of improvement. Listen to me. You first listen. What I am saying, you need to listen. Okay. If you do not listen, you can't say. You can't repeat. Okay. You may make mistake. Okay. So after attending classes,
So after attending classes,
I have changed.
I have changed.
Look me here.
Look me here.
Look at me.
Look at me.
Look at me.
Look at me.
I have changed.
I have changed.
I am changing.
I am changing.
I am positive.
I am positive.
I am positive girl.
Positive girl.
I am confident.
I am confident.
I am courageous.
I am courageous.
One day,
One day,
one day,
I
I will change.
will change.
I will improve.
I will improve.
I will speak.
I will speak.
I will achieve.
I will achieve.
In my life,
In my life,
I have decided.
I have decided.
Look at my hand gesture.
Look
In
at my hand gesture.
no, you look at. You look at me. Yes. Look at my hand gesture and you do same activities. Okay. You do same activities. If I do like this, you do it. 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 So whatever I will do, same activities you are going to repeat. Okay. So one day
One day,
I will speak.
I will speak.
I will change.
I will change.
I will improve
I will improve.
because
Because
I have goal.
I have good.
I have vision.
I have vision.
I have good goal.
I have good girl.
That's why.
That's why
What did you say? I have
good girl.
not good goal.
Good girl.
Yes, I said something, you repeated something. Okay, don't make mistake. So very well, you are trying well. Okay, you are trying well, you are speaking well, you are getting good practice. Okay, you have a lot of time to learn English. You don't worry. And first of all, my point, be confident, be courageous, be positive, don't get nervous because if you are nervous, you can't speak, you can't learn. That's why. So whenever you are standing in front of people, don't be nervous. Okay, be confident. So say hello everyone, very good afternoon. And today I am going to speak about importance of English. So English is international language. You speak like this without hesitation and fear. Okay, so I will make you speak in English one day and you will be fluent in English. You will be very good communicator after few days. Okay, thank you so much. Thanks for
Thanks
talking.
For this wonderful opportunity.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Yes, stand properly.
Thank you everyone.
Yes, you say 5 times. I am confident. I am confident. I am confident.
I am confident. I am confident. I am confident.
5 times I said. I am confident. I am confident. I am confident. I am confident. You have to raise your voice.
I am confident. I am confident. I am confident. I am confident. I am confident.
I will change. I will change. I will change. I will change.
I will change. I will change. I will change. I will change.
I will change my life
I will change my life
because
because
I have
I have
great vision.
great vision.
I have
I have
goal.
goal.
I have
I have
aim.
aim.
I have
I have
good
good
plans for future.
plans for future.
That's why
That's why
I came.
I came.
I came here.
I came here.
I am standing here.
I'm standing here.
I want to improve.
I want to improve.
I want to speak English.
I want to speak English.
I want to develop myself.
I want to develop myself.
I can do it
I can do it
because
because
I am positive.
I'm positive.
I am confident.
I'm confident.
I am powerful.
I'm powerful.
I am special.
I'm special.
I am
I am
very, very
very
strong person.
strong person.
I am courageous
I'm courageous
in my life.
in my life.
I will reach my goal.
I will reach my goal.
I will achieve my goal.
I will achieve my goal.
I will change my life.
I will change my life.
One day
One day
I will be
I will be
great leader.
great leader.
I will be
I will be
one day
one day
great achiever.
great achiever.
I will do great achievement in my life.
I will be do great
I will
achiever in
I
my
will do
life.
great achievement in my life.
I will
do great achievement in my life.
I will do a great achievement in my life.
I will do great accomplishment.
I will do great
Accomplishment. I was born
I was born
to achieve.
to achieve.
I was born
I was born
to create history.
to create history.
I was born
I was born
to accomplish something.
to accomplish something.
One day
One day
I will be
I will be
great
great
world leader.
world leader.
I will explore the world.
I explore the world.
I will explore the world.
I will explore the world.
I will explore.
Explore.
I will explore.
Explore the
I will speak like leaders.
I will speak like leader.
I will speak like professional person.
I will speak like professional person.
Okay, that's why
That's why
I came. I came here. I came here. So thank you everyone.
Thank you.
Very nice. It was very great conversation.